Welcome to today's session. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create a JavaScript function that invokes a method at a specified key of an object, while also binding the correct context. We'll additionally learn how to include extra parameters when calling the method. Let's dive in. The problem is to bind a method to its object and invoke it with an additional argument. For instance, if we have an object with a greet method, our goal is to dynamically invoke it while ensuring the method has access to the object's context. This code uses the bind key function to bind the context of an object to a method at a specified key. By leveraging apply, it dynamically adds any arguments passed during invocation, ensuring the method works as expected. The process starts by identifying the method to invoke, binding its context, and then handling any additional arguments using the spread operator. The result is a reusable and callable function that behaves as expected, regardless of input arguments. In this example, we bind the greet method to the object and invoke it with a different argument. For instance, calling the method with hello and an exclamation outputs hello Alice. This demonstrates the flexibility of the approach. The ES6 version of the bind key function simplifies the syntax using arrow functions. The use of spread operators ensures that both predefined and runtime arguments are handled seamlessly. This technique is widely applicable in real-world scenarios, such as dynamically invoking object methods, handling events in frameworks, or creating API wrappers. Its flexibility makes it a valuable tool in JavaScript programming. To summarize, we've explored how to dynamically bind methods to objects and handle arguments effectively. This approach simplifies complex scenarios in frameworks and event-driven programming. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.